This is Jeff Goodman with GE Aviation's Customer Technical Education Center with another GEnx Maintenance Minute. I'm here today to talk about inspecting the proper installation of the fan blade platforms. The trailing edge should be underneath the flow path, while the leading edge should be trapped underneath the support ring. We need to make sure that this occurs before we install the spinner. And as you take a look here from the front, you can see that it's hard to tell when a platform is misinstalled. From the side, using a flashlight and mirror, you can inspect to make sure that the aft end of the platform is correctly installed underneath the flow spacer. Another way to do the inspection is with your hand. From the support ring to the front of the platform should be a smooth transition, and as we follow the platform back with our hand, there should also be a smooth transition from the trailing edge of the platform to the flow spacer. This indicates a good installation. Here, with a misinstalled platform, again, I can get a smooth transition from the support ring to the leading edge of the platform. But as I move aft, I feel that it drops off to the spacer, not giving me a good transition. I can also wrap my fingers around underneath the trailing edge of the platform. And you can also see the brown material of the trailing edge of the platform, which should be underneath the flow spacer, indicating again it was not installed correctly. This quick, easy inspection of the fan blade platforms will make sure that they are installed correctly. Thanks for watching this Maintenance Minute on the fan blade platform installation inspection.